Welcome Color Tune Paradise. Today drawing is simple hamburger and cute hamburger.
Simple hamburger. First, draw the top bun like a big round cap. Add some sesame seeds on top. Next, draw the wavy salad leaf just under the bun. Draw a slice of cheese, let the corners hang out for a cheesy look. Now give it a final touch, make the bun nice and round and smoothen the lines. Your simple hamburger is ready. Now let's draw a cute hamburger character. Start with the top bun round and big, and don't forget the sesame seeds. Below it, draw the wavy salad leaf. Then add the cheesy slice and the hamburger patty. Under that, draw the bottom bun. Now the fun part, draw two cute eyes and a smiling mouth on the top bun. Then, draw tiny arms on the sides and little legs at the bottom. Draw the hands and legs. Add small arms and legs with simple curves.